Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is a is equal to 1 plus b square and b is 1 plus a square to find the value of a cube plus b cube. In the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. By adding equation 1 and 2 together, we have equation 1 plus equation 2. We have a plus b is equal to, in this side, 1 plus 1 is 2, and b plus a, and b square plus a square. And it will be in here, this a will cancel this a, right? This to this side, it will be negative a, and plus this a, it will be 0. And this b will cancel this, and it will be b square plus a square is equal to, we take this 2 to this side, and it will be negative 2. And we let this as equation 3. In next step, we subtract these two equations, so equation 1 minus equation 2, and we have a minus b is equal to, in here, 1 minus 1, it will be 0, and b minus a, and in here we have b square minus a square, right? So b square minus a square. And in next step, we take this a and negative b to this side, and it will be, in here we have b square minus a square, and in here we have negative a, and this a to this side, it will be negative a minus this negative a, it will be negative 2a, right? And this negative b to this side will be positive b, and plus this b, it will be 2b, and is equal to 0. And it will be, in here we take these two parts together, and we can write this as b minus a times b plus a, right? And for these two parts, we can write, in here we factor 2, and in here we have b and minus a, right? Is equal to 0. And in next step, b minus a is common, so we factor b minus a, and in here we have b plus a, and in here we have positive 2 is equal to 0. So in here we have two solutions. B minus a is equal to 0, or b plus a plus 2 is equal to 0. In here we take this b to this side, and b is equal to a, right? And for this part, we take this 2 to this side, and it will be b plus a is equal to negative 2. In here, from equation number 3, we have b square plus a square is negative 2. So we write b square plus a square is negative 2. And b square is equal to a, so we can write this b as a square, and plus a square is equal to negative 2. And from here, 2a square, it will be negative 2, so a square, it will be negative 1, and a is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 1. And this is equal to plus or minus I, right? And for this side, b plus a is equal to negative 2, and from equation number 3, b square plus a square is negative 2. So we write in here, b square plus a square is negative 2. In here, we can write this as b plus a to power of 2 and minus 2ab, right? This is equal to this, and it's equal to negative 2. And from here, b plus a is negative 2. So negative 2 to power of 2, it will be 4, right? And minus 2 AB is negative 2. And from here, we take this 2AB to this side, it will be 4, and this negative 2 to this side. So it will be 4 plus 2 is equal to 2AB, and AB is equal to 3. So in here we have A is equal to plus or minus I, and A is equal to B, right? So B is equal to A and is equal to plus or minus I. And we want to find the value of A cube plus B cube. So in here we write A cube plus B cube. And A is plus or minus I. And if we write A as positive I, in here we have I to power of 3 and plus also B is I to power of 3. And if we A cube plus B cube, if we write this as negative I, in here we have negative I to power of 3 and plus negative I to power of 3. And here I to power of 3, we can write this I square times I, and I square is negative 1, and negative 1 times I, it will be negative I. So this is negative I, and also this is negative I, so it will be negative 2I. And in here, this is equal to I, and plus this I is equal to 2I, right? And in here, also we want to find the A cube plus B cube. And we can write A cube plus B cube as A plus B to power of 3 and minus 3AB times A plus B, right? In here, A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B. And A plus B from here is negative 2, right? So we write this as negative 2 to power of 3 and minus 3AB, and AB is 3 and times A plus B is negative 2. And A cube plus B cube is equal to negative 2 to power of 3 is negative 8 and plus, and negative times negative will be positive. 3 times 3 is 9 and times 2 it will be 18. And from here, A cube plus B cube is equal to 10. So we find 3 value for A cube plus B cube, 10 and negative 2I and positive 2I. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.